Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Our friends at Bristol Motor Speedway playing host to another football game this afternoon as ETSU takes on Western Carolina. Pretty nice sunrise across Bristol here as we take a live look from our WeatherBug Volunteer Parkway camera. You see a few folks out and about on this early morning. Flag flapping in the breeze ever so slightly with some calm winds out there. Temperature 61 degrees right now in the Tri-Cities with partly cloudy skies going on. This afternoon we expect the same, some partly cloudy skies, but maybe a stray shower in spot. Now it should be rather isolated, but they could produce a little bit of heavy rainfall if you get caught underneath one of them. So keep that in mind if you're heading out to Bristol today, or if you're heading out to the Let Freedom Ring Air Fest. That's going to be at the Wise Lonesome Pine Airport. Of course, being the big aviation buff that I am, I'll be heading out there a little bit later today. Temperatures warming up into the middle 80s there. Weather impacts relatively low with an isolated shower possible as well. Why are impacts so low? Well, high pressure sitting over us, giving us some nice weather for today. But you do notice this cold front out towards the west and the shower and thunderstorm activity associated with that. That's moving our direction. And as it approaches us tomorrow, our weather will change a little bit. So enjoy today. It'll be a warm afternoon with temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 80s, if not near 90 in spots towards Rogersville and Greenville, 87 in Bristol, Johnson City, 88 in Kingsport, and how about 85 towards Lebanon, 84 towards Mountain City, 74 in Boone, and a cooler, or warmer, 88 in Elizabethton. 84 towards Clintwood, 82 in Norton for our friends in Southwest Virginia. Overall, not a bad day, not a bad night with temperatures cooling down into the low 60s once again. Pretty comfortable through the overnight hours with partly cloudy skies, a stray shower here or there, and a little bit of patchy fog, especially if you get caught underneath one of those showers a little bit early. Now, our future radar not showing a ton of activity this afternoon. I think that's probably what we'll see. I think it may be understating it just a little bit, though. I think we'll likely see one or two more additional showers pop up, especially across portions of eastern Kentucky, maybe far southwest Virginia. As you're a little bit closer towards that frontal boundary as it moves towards us, we'll see slightly higher chances for rain there. Now, our severe threat tracker staying the low alert level for today, but we're going to put it up towards the medium level for Sunday. As that cold front approaches, we'll have some pretty hefty shower and thunderstorm activity with it, and a lot of it will be the heavy rainfall. Not so much severe weather, but more probably the heavy rainfall that we'll see with some of these showers and storms. You notice as they move into the afternoon, first coming into southwest Virginia and southeast Kentucky, towards late morning, early afternoon, then towards the metro areas we go a little bit later into the afternoon hours, let's say after maybe 1 or 2 o'clock. Some of these pockets of downpours moving through with a little bit of heavy rainfall at times, and it could even see some gusty, breezy winds with a few of these storms as well. Then into the overnight, maybe a stray shower as we head into your work week of Monday, and nicer conditions. So one other thing you'll notice, the dew point heading on up into that uncomfortable range tomorrow. So in addition to the temperatures that'll be in the 80s, our dew points will be going up tomorrow. So it'll feel like the mid to upper 80s, even though it'll be a little bit cooler in terms of the air temperature tomorrow. Looking ahead towards the rest of the week, we do start to continue that trend towards a warm up. As we go later in the week, fall technically begins on Thursday, but Mother Nature decided that it wants to warm us up to 90 instead. So not so sure about that whole fall idea with that going on.
Fall, but feeling more like summer, Ricky.
It's fall, but our temperatures are rising. See what I did there?
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I'm bad at jokes. All right. Anyway.
No. The weather doesn't make sense. You make perfect sense. That was a good pun, Ricky.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much. And we'll be right back with more